This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Nicole Occhiato. You will be amazed at the size and privacy of this large, private, tree-lined fenced yard on a cul-de-sac. No hoa. Great floor plan with spacious bedrooms and closets. Hardwoods in the entry through formal dining and kitchen/breakfast area. The large garage has built-in workbenches and motion LED lighting. Huge fourth bedroom that can also be used as a bonus/game room. New roof 2016. All appliances convey. Great location, minutes from 485 and right off Plaza Extension close to Wade Harris. This 4-bedroom traditional home is ready for its new owner. For more information, review the details below or contact Nicole Occhiato at 980-223-1